The roof! Teddy! 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 You guys see anything? No. He's not here. I can't believe this is happening again.
Okay, look, we'll handle this. You get back there. You tell them that Alan and I got drunk with them. We're still partying. You gotta go get married.
No. I'm not going back without Teddy. It's Laura's little brother. He's lost. He's injured. If I fuck this up, I lose everything.
Okay. All right. Alan, check your pockets.
What?
You know the drill. Come on, there might be clues.
Check your phones. Numbers, text.
That's a good idea.
I got nothing. Fuck. Me neither.
I got a text from Chow.
What time?
10 o'clock last night.
What's it say?
On my way, niggas. Oh, niggas. Okay. Hip hop.